WebWise. Want DFY premium websites clients ready with payment in hand to pay you. Brand new, first to market AI website creator that creates 50,000 plus ready to sell DFY, fully cyber secured WordPress websites loaded with SEO optimized content along with 1 million plus desperate clients ready to buy them without any coding or designing skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. Zero website creation, zero investment, zero manual work, complete autopilot system. Use AI to instantly create and sell mind-blowing websites to credit card ready clients. And use proven arbitrage system to bank in big, offering red-hot services. First to market technology creates mind-blowing lightning fast 50,000 plus DFY WordPress websites with AI generated content. Instantly create ready to use stunning WordPress websites, AI content, advanced persistent threat protection, SSL, SEO and many more premium services to 1 million plus desperate red-hot audience in 3 easy clicks. Let AI do all the work with service providers for you while you bill your clients again and again in few clicks for delivering services. Get advanced persistent threat protection to ensure 100% security against hackers, spammers, cyber threats in your websites, etc. Let AI create SEO optimized content for your blogs, websites, offers and anywhere else instantly on WebWise sites. Get over 1,000 hand-picked website templates to create industry-leading websites in red-hot business niches. Get 100% protection for personal data, trade secrets, intellectual property and any sensitive business information. Find desperate customers running after you to buy these amazing website and services. Use inbuilt army of designers, coding experts, SEO professionals, content writers, SSL experts, advertising experts, video makers, traffic scientists etc. ready to deliver exceptional services to your clients. Inbuilt DFY client outreach software included DFY service intro, delivery and after-sales service. Live fulfillment system included that show you instant flip services to offer your clients buy for $10 and flip for $100 and more instantly. Zero hard selling, zero cold calling and zero configuration. Get hordes of hungry clients in a jiffy. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. You're only 3 steps away from finding premium clients and building 100% cyber-secured websites for them like a pro. Step 1. Log in and see clients. To begin, log in with your details. AI will show you clients who need websites. Starting takes less than 10 seconds with WebWise. Plus, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're still not satisfied, contact support for assistance. Step 2. Deliver DFY services. Chillax with TV or sunbathe while WebWise AI creates your websites. Just click and deliver to eager clients. Step 3. Profits. Instantly done. Collect payments from clients even while sailing. Offer premium services and charge repeatedly. There are over 1.5 billion websites running currently on the internet. Rapidly increasing trend, selling products and services online post-COVID as customers prefer convenience. That's why big companies are paying a huge amounts to buy websites in their niche. Not even 1% of these websites are fully secured, and by 2025, global cybercrime will cost $10.5 trillion United States dollars annually. Unfortunately, over 86% of business owners are unaware of and unprepared to address this issue. The huge potential if you combine the power of creating and selling industries leading business websites that are 100% cyber threats secured and loaded with SEO optimized content, SSL, AI images, videos and much more. Absolutely. With the power to create stunning business websites that are 100% cyber secured and loaded with AI generated content, images, and videos, then sell them to a huge pool of 1 million plus eager audience, the growth possibilities will be completely unlimited. Take a look yourself what freelancers are charging for creating a single cyber-secured website that's below par the quality of WebWise. See how people like you are becoming millionaires creating and selling stunning AI websites. WebWise add 3 extra income streams while your competitors are left biting the dust. Stream 1. Get 1 million credit card ready DFY clients looking for premium website creation or other premium services using proven arbitrage model. Stream 2. Provide advanced cybersecurity services to thousands of existing website owners and convert them into lifetime happy customers. Stream 3. Use inbuilt army of designers, coding experts, SEO professionals, content writers, SSL experts, advertising experts, video makers, traffic scientists etc. ready to deliver exceptional services to your clients. That today, creating 100% cyber secured, fast loading AI business websites is not an option for business owners. There's a flip side to this as well. The world's leading website creation and cybersecurity platforms charge huge amounts from their customers for offering below par services. And that's just the start. Marketers are facing tons of other issues while creating cyber-secured websites and finding red-hot clients for their offers. Building engaging, mobile and all-device responsive sites needs technical and marketing expertise. Setting up your first business-friendly website is complex and time-consuming process. Searching for high-paying clients on multiple platforms needs tons of time and effort. Hiring freelancers to create websites that your audience love is too expensive. Using third-party website creation platforms has tons of issues attached. Using open market client finding platforms needs heavy commissions from your side. Giving after-sales services to existing clients needs a dedicated team and constant resources. Managing all this from a single dashboard doesn't seem all that easy as you're thinking. Amazingly, WebWise built websites are self-ranking too. And here's real business we made from websites by selling them to hungry clients. 100% genuine proof that's from our real accounts. Check out real case studies how website creation and selling became an untapped goldmine for these real individuals. And they're making this by just creating a single website that's hardly has any attention-grabbing element. If you buy using my link in the description, I'll give you free bonuses. Simply take a screenshot of your purchase. DM me on Instagram to claim them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.